a lot to somebody. No. No. So let nobody deceive you that the governor is Ijaw. This one is not true. All of you here, Ijaw, is it not? Are you benefiting? So what is this? Politics is interest. Is it not correct? If they were writing an exam, you wouldn't have carried it. So let nobody come and deceive you. When they go and collect money at the back, they tell you, let's go and do this. Ask him. That's what you collected last night. Did you put my own there? Did you put my own there? We must come up to say, people must not behave and treat people, use people and dump them. And then you say it's politics. That politics has to stop. That politics of use and dump must stop now. Enough is enough. So, for what you've done today, I don't know how to thank you. You have shown capacity. You have shown your...
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything about things, politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was the former governor of Rivers State and Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom, at Calabari in Rivers State. Calabari is described as the heartland of the Ijaw Nation in Rivers State. The governor, the minister has gone there apparently from what you heard. He went there to divide the Ijaw Nation and try and win them over against Ijaw governor Simi Fubara. And he was telling them that politics is about interest. But it is interesting that he was talking about interest. But politics is not about interest. Politics is about development. Politics is not about interest. Politics is about the welfare of the people. It is about the improvement of lives, the enrichment of the life of the people. Politics is about a better life for the people. Politics is not about interest. It is not about interest, it's about the welfare. That was why the Constitution said that the essence of government is to ensure the welfare of the people. The welfare of the people. Now, the actions the minister has been taking with his Nyesom group in Rivers State, how is that impacting the welfare of the people? How is that benefiting the people? That the allocation of Rivers State was seized because of Nyesom and his lawmakers. How is that beneficial to the people of Rivers State? How is that contributing to their welfare? So what interest? He was saying that that they tell you that the governor is Ijaw. What have you benefited? How can they benefit when you have put a stumbling block for him? Before he was 6 months in office, December 2023, the Nyesom lawmakers was already plotting to impeach him. That was when they started unsettling him. So how is he going to be able to settle down, even to provide for his fellow Ijaws, if we are going to look at it from an ethnic perspective? He was telling them, what have you benefited? You are Ijaw. Okay? What have you benefited? It's just like the same question being asked people. Because Tinubu is Yoruba, how many Yorubas have benefited? It is only those who are appointed in government that are major beneficiaries. The ordinary Yoruba person is also still buying fuel, the price every other person is buying it. He's buying a bag of rice, the same price everybody is buying it. He is paying high for telephone for communication tariff. He's paying more for electricity tariff like every other Nigerian. So what is Nyesom trying to say as a tactics to divide the Ijaw nation? So what does he expect Fubara to do? He said, what have you benefited? That it is that people go to the back and collect money and come and tell you it's Ijaw. What of those who are backing him? On what ground are they backing him? Are they backing him based on sound moral ground? That Nyesom is better in moral ground to be supported in what he's doing, and that himself doesn't give money, allegedly. The same way it's alleged that the governor is giving the job people money. Then they will come and tell you, support governor, he's a job. What of his own side? How was he able to sustain them? How was he able to sustain the lawmakers? All those months that they were not being paid salary, how was he able to sustain them? Why did they continue to maintain their loyalty? Are they telling us that those people, they just maintain their loyalty like that? If it was like that, why then didn't Oshomole of Edo State, when he was a godfather, his own lawmakers, Oshomole lawmakers, they were shown shady by Obaseke, and they were not sworn in for 4 years. But why was it there? Why were they not able to fight the governor and subdue the governor? Because their godfather was not in a position, he was not in government. If Oshomole was a minister of FCT at that time, you can imagine what we would have done to Obaseke. So then nobody deceived Nigerians that those who are backing Nyesom now in this fight, they are doing it for altruistic reason. While those who are backing the governor, they are doing it. All those Ijaw leaders, they are supporting Fubara because he's giving them money. But those who are supporting Wike, they are doing it altruistic. They are doing it because they love Nyesom Wike. They love people of Rivers State. And yet, they were in cahoots with those who stopped the allocation of the state so that civil servants will not be paid, so that the state will be crippled economically. Who believe that kind of story? But that is part of his effort to try to convince the Ijaw nation that they should not back Simi Fubara, that he has done nothing for them. Simi Fubara has been there just for getting to 2 years now. May 29 making 2 years. But they have been fighting battle against impeachment. They have put stumbling block everywhere for him. So how is this settled? In fact, the Ijaw nation ought to be incensed that their only governor they produced was being harassed right, left, and center by the pro-Nyesom camp. And it's not for him to tutor them on that they have not benefited, that it is their leaders that go behind, that collect money, and then they were coming and telling them that Fubara is your brother, support him. But what of those who are the Ijaws, among them who are also backing Nyesom and all those who are backing Nyesom? Those ones, they are doing it pro bono because they don't need money, they don't like money, they hate money actually. Okay. Then he now talk about that they want to do away with people must stop use and dump. Well, perhaps he's not listening to people like Asari Dokubo. Asari Dokubo has listed Nyesom among those who use and dump. Asari Dokubo have said it on record that Nyesom use and dump Patience Jonathan, that he use and dump President Goodluck Jonathan, that he used and dump Peter Odele, that he used and dump Chibika Amechi. So if you're talking about use and dump as being unfair or being bad, Asari Dokubo has listed him among those who are specialists in use and dump. So perhaps he may have to look at himself in the mirror when he's talking about that they must do away with use and dump. In any case, can we really say that Fubara used and dumped him? Do you know why I ask this question? Fubara, from all indications, never lobbied to become governor. Fubara was a civil servant. He was a civil servant. He was a civil servant for Christ's sake. There were people who lobbied, who were professional politicians who wanted to be governor. It was Nyesom that stopped all of them and literally railroaded Fubara. And when Fubara entered inside there, Fubara, apparently fighting for the interests of the state, was not ready to dance to the tune of the Godfather, believing that what he wanted to do is in the interest of the state and not about political interest, as the former governor wanted. Fubara was about the welfare of the people. From what I have seen him, he is for the welfare of the people and not about political interest. It is from what the former governor said, from what he said, it means that he is accusing Fubara that he didn't key into the political interest of the Nyesom wicked structure, apparently. But what is more important? Is it the structure of Nyesom wicked that is more important, or the welfare of the people of Rivers State? That's the question that the Rivers people have to answer and ponder over. And you that watch this, what do you think? What should Fubara have prioritized? Interest of the wicked structure or the interest of Rivers people? And in any case, do you think that his reasoning, his attempts to divide the Ijaw nation with his rhetoric at Calabar will work? Do you think there will be a shift? The Ijaw nation will now, because of what he said, and began to look at their son and say, look, we have not benefited anything, as Nyesom said. Let us support his impeachment. Do you think that's possible? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.